What happened again?
Yeah.
And when the white people were getting out of the car, the DA, everybody told them to run down. And those other guys they went to, he had a sniper on the roof. Which he got him that he basically got what he wanted either way. He was dead.